Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, today I would like to brief about hair dryer. Hair dryer, also known as blow dryer, is an electrical device used to dry and style hair. It uses an electrical fan to blow air across a heating coil. As the air passes through the dryer, it heats up. When a warm air reaches wet hair, it helps evaporate water. Hair dryers may be used with a variety of brushes, combs to achieve different hairstyles. Okay, for some history, the first handheld hair dryer appeared on the market in 1925. It produced only 100 watts of heat and weighed over 1 kilogram because it was made of heavy steel and zinc. Mm. Alright, for its safety features that applied by engineers for modern hair dryer, engineers have developed temperature cut-off that prevent a heating coil from getting too hot. This cut-off switch also turn off the heating coil if the blower motor on the fan stop functioning. A special shock safeguard, a ground fault circuit interrupter (GFSI), is used in modern hair dryers to prevent accidental electrocution. For sake of convenience, hair dryers are designed to weigh only about 500 grams and they are made to be easy to handle during operation. Alright, for its raw materials, hair dryers are assembled from a series of components including electrical motor, fan blade, copper wiring, switching mechanism, and plastic for the body. Okay, we move to its mechanism. Hair dryer produce heat in some fashion that does by passing electric current through wire. High level of electrical resistance of wire causes it to generate heat as current passes through it. It also uses a metal heating element such as nichrome, alloy of nickel and chromium. Furthermore, nickel and copper will not rust at high temperature. Inserting board is usually made of mica, a mineral that can stand high level of heat. And then the body is can-shaped plastic shell. Plastic parts are created injection molding, a process that involves injecting hot, molten plastic such as polypropylene into stainless steel die. This device also has safety device, which is a thermal fuse that has a small metal strip that melts if the temperature of circuit exceeds a certain amount. This breaks the circuit and instantly cut power to the dryer. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.